In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a Twitter account. So first we must launch our web browser. I'm using a Mac, so I'll be launching Safari. In the address bar type www.twitter.com, and on the right hand side you need to click the big green button saying sign up now. You'll be presented with this form. In the first box you're asked to enter your full name. I'm creating an account for my web2toolkit blog, so I'm going to enter that as my name. Then you must enter a username. As you can see here, this is what you will be identified as when people are looking for you on Twitter. Again, I'm going to use web2toolkit. You should choose something that's relevant to you and easy to find and remember. Then enter a password. Again, this is something you should be able to remember, as you'll need it later to access your Twitter account. You can see if any of your friends are already using Twitter by importing your email address books. You've got a choice of Gmail, Yahoo or AOL. I don't want to do that. I'm just going to hit this little skip this step blue link at the bottom. Again, it asks you to look if you want to follow any of these selected people. I want to start a fresh account, so I'm just going to hit skip this step again. And you're now signed into Twitter. One of the first things you want to do is hit the settings link up here and add yourself a bio. I'm first going to make my Twitter account link back to my web2toolkit blog. You can enter any URL here that relates to you and can give more people information about yourself. And then I'm going to add a little bit of information about myself, so when people come to my Twitter page they can see who I am and what I do. You can add where you are in the world. I'm going to leave this out. And if you want, you can only show tweets to people who you are friends with, protecting your privacy. I'm leaving this unchecked as I want as many people as possible. If you go back into settings and click the picture tab just here, you can also upload a file from your desktop that represents you or your company. I don't have an icon as yet, so I'm not going to do that. But when you have done that, hit save, and then if you click profile, you can see that you've set up a link here, some information about yourself to identify who you are and what you do, and if you've uploaded a picture, it will appear here.